Vipps is one of the most popular mobile payment solutions in Norway, making it a convenient tool for sending and receiving money instantly. However, with convenience comes responsibility. Protecting your account should be a priority to avoid unauthorized transactions or potential losses. One of the most important security measures is enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a verification code in addition to your password whenever you log in. Strong, unique passwords are essential. Avoid simple sequences or easily guessable combinations, and never reuse passwords across multiple platforms. Updating your password regularly ensures that even if your credentials are compromised elsewhere, your Vipps account remains safe. Keeping your device secure is just as critical as securing your account. Install the latest operating system updates and app updates to patch known vulnerabilities. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for transactions, as these can be exploited by attackers. If using mobile data, ensure your connection is encrypted through a trusted VPN. Monitoring your account activity is another key practice. Regularly reviewing transactions can help you detect suspicious activity quickly, allowing you to act before any significant loss occurs. Vipps also provides the option to set transaction limits, which can prevent large unauthorized withdrawals. Never share your personal identification number or OTP codes with anyone, and be cautious of phishing attempts through email, SMS, or social media. Scammers often impersonate legitimate services, so always verify communication directly through the official Vipps app. For added security, enable notifications for all transactions so you are instantly alerted to any activity. By consistently following these practices, you ensure your Vipps account remains secure, protecting your money and personal information. Implementing these measures may seem simple, but they drastically reduce the risk of fraud and give you peace of mind when sending and receiving payments.